Hi, I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demo, I'll show you how to use Kanban Task Manager Multiboard, a sandbox solution that can be used with any of the SharePoint editions of Kanban Task Manager. The Multiboard displays several Kanban boards from all the Kanban Task Manager installations in the SharePoint farm or tenant on the same SharePoint page. This gives managers a quick overview of the work progress for different departments. Here, I have Kanban Task Manager Multiboard activated on my SharePoint site, so I have a link to the Multiboard in the Quick Launch. Let's open Multiboard. I've not added any Kanban boards yet, so I'll add a few boards now. These are the Kanban Task Manager sites in my SharePoint tenant. I'll select the Sales, Development, Production, and Business sites. Now, the Kanban boards from the sites I selected are added to the Multiboard. This is the total count of the boards and tasks in the Multiboard. When you have many boards on the Multiboard, you can search for a board here. The name of the SharePoint site from where the Kanban board is fetched is hyperlinked with the SharePoint site, so I can reach the site by clicking here. Tasks are color-coded by project or responsible depending on the color that was selected in the Kanban Task Manager configuration for each site. This is the date when the Kanban board was last modified. The Multiboard shows the status of tasks at the moment they were loaded, so make it a habit to refresh the Multiboard often to get the latest changes. Click on a task to open it. You can also edit or delete the task from here. The changes you will make will be reflected back to the Kanban board, but you must refresh the Multiboard to see them. The main purpose of the Multiboard is to give managers an overview. So here is a progress bar that shows the incomplete task count and percentage for the whole board. The lanes also have graphs for incomplete tasks in each phase. I hope this demo has given you a good idea of how the Multiboard works. There's a manual with more detailed descriptions, so I recommend that you study it before you start using Kanban Task Manager Multiboard. Please also refer to my demo on how to install the Kanban Task Manager sandbox solution, as the installation and activation process is the same for the Multiboard. Thank you for watching this demo.